In this video, I'm about to show you how to use Firebase for authentication. First, create a Firebase project at firebase.google.com and enable authentication. Now, choose sign-in methods like email or password, Google, Facebook, or phone in the Firebase console. Install Firebase SDK in your app using npm install Firebase or the appropriate method for your platform. Then, import the Firebase Auth module into your project's main code files. Initialize Firebase with the configuration details of your project in your application code. After that, use functions like create user with email and password or sign in with email and password for email auth. Next, implement Auth providers for Google, Facebook, etc. using respective sign-in methods. Handle authentication state changes using on-auth state changed listeners. Test login, sign up, and log out features across devices to ensure the authentication flow works smoothly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.